Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, we're going to see how to see trending in BlueSky. BlueSky does not have a built-in trending topic section, yet however, you can explore trending content using third-party tools or techniques. First, you could go back to your screen, use SkyFeed. Tools like BlueSky or SkyFeed offers additional features, including version of trending topics. These apps or websites are not directly part of BlueSky, but integrate with its ecosystem to provide enhanced content discovery. Alright, and you can just go ahead and click the feed builder right from here. You're going to see the green button right here, and then just go ahead and add the feed name from here, and just go ahead and type the regex and what's the word that you want to highlight. Okay, and then click a feed builder, right? And you're going to just see right here feed preview, so you can see the basically the word that highlighted with the high. And as you can see right here, you will see the post on BlueSky, right? Another way of doing it, you can just go back to your screen, use BlueSky hashtag search, right? You can manually search popular hashtags in the platform search bar to find trending discussions. You could just type right here the hashtag and then just type trending, for example, and then just see right what's the latest thing that trending on BlueSky. Since BlueSky emphasizes decentralizations, hashtags are often key to exploring page. All right, then you can just use a custom feed. Users can subscribe or create custom feeds for specific topics or themes. You can go ahead to your search tool, right? You can see right here the feed by SkyFeed right here, or the art feed by BlueSky Art, and then just go ahead and pin home, and then you're going to be able to see more of this content on your homepage. Instead of discover, you're going to just go ahead and stay on maybe science or art, and you're going to be able to see all the posts in regards of arts or whatever content that you subscribe to. And these feeds can be tailored to show what's trending in niche, such as specific hashtags or a keyword. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.